Today, we're diving deep into the dark side. I'm talking about those villains that give you chills and make you go, damn, that dude's badass. Yep, we're learning how to draw a manga villain that's gonna steal the show and maybe even your soul. So grab your pencils and let's get sinister. First off, let's keep it real. A good story needs a dope villain. They're the spice, the drama, the oh shit moments of your manga. No villain, no thrillin'. They're the ones who make your hero step up or get stepped on. So if you want your manga to slap, your villain's gotta be straight fire. Alright, first things first. Vibe check. What's your villain's deal? Is he trying to blow up the world? Or is she just out here trying to flex on everyone with mad power? Get their goal locked down, because that's what's gonna shape everything. From their look to their attitude. Maybe they got daddy issues. Maybe they got burned in the past. Whatever it is, it's gotta be juicy. Now let's talk looks. Your villain's gotta stand out. Like even in a lineup, you need to be like, yo, that dude's up to no good. Sharp angles, intense eyes, scars, wild hair. These are the most important laws. Give them something that screams trouble. And colors? Keep it dark, keep it moody. Red eyes? Hell yeah. Spiky hair? Absolutely. Just remember, subtlety is for heroes. Villains have so many details like this. Alright, so we got the face, but what's the fit? You can't have a badass villain rocking plain jeans and a tee. Nah, they need some drip, whether it's a long-ass coat that flows when they walk, crazy armor, or even some jewelry that looks like it's cursed or something. Basically, their outfit should tell a story before they even open their mouth. Think flashy, think intimidating. Maybe they got a weapon that's just as iconic as them. The sky's the limit. Of course I'm drawing a fight scene here, but make sure to follow these tips. It ain't just about the looks. It's the way they move and talk. They gotta have that swagger that says, I own this place. Are they the silent type who just glares you down? Or do they monologue like they're auditioning for a soap opera? Either way, they need a signature move. Something that makes the audience go, oh snap, here we go. Confidence, cockiness, pure evil, whatever their vibe, it's gotta be on full display. For example, I write in this scene, you are weak. And an important tip, as always, here's a little cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to draw a 4-point perspective from the front, don't miss this video. I'm Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.